Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Mbna credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Mbna credit card, first make sure to open up a web browser. In the URL box appearing at the top, type in www.mbna.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site of Mbna. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button. You'll need to log in by entering your credentials for your online account in order to get access to your credit card. So go to the first text box and type in your username associated with your Mbna account, and then head over to the password field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click Remember My Username box. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or shared computer. If you don't remember your credential, that is your username and your password, click Forgotten your login details and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password or to look for your username. After entering your credential, click the Continue button at the bottom right in order to log in and get access to your credit card services. That's how you can easily log into your Mbna credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.